Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, I have a new buy recommendation on a pattern breakout, a multi-year pattern breakout. So it's healthcare actually. And so let's get into it. Here we go. This is the monthly chart of FXH. This is the First Trust Healthcare ETF. It's a broad-based index. Top 10 holdings, the top holding is only 3% of the portfolio. So it's probably got 100, not 100 names. It probably has 50 names in it. It starts with Insmed. It starts next is Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, MedPace Holdings, Ionis Pharmaceuticals, Tempest AI, Insight Corp, Biogen, United Therapeutics, Universal Healthcare, Illumina, these are all like 2% of the portfolio. We get down to something like Pfizer. I see Merck down here, which is a little less than 2% of the portfolio. Zimmer Biomet, some of the device makers. So it's really kind of across the spectrum. Healthcare tends to be a defensive sector. It does really well, outperforms in bad markets, which um, is good in case, I'm pretty skeptical on the intermediate to long term and neutral short term. But this may be a little bit different because healthcare was on a tear recently, and that is, you know, we have our Obamacare ending in January, so maybe these companies are going to get some money or who knows what is going to roll out. But all I do is look at the chart and buy or sell if the chart looks good, the reward to risk looks good. So this is a monthly chart going all the way back to 2015. Each candlestick represents a month of price action. So you can see during the COVID years how healthcare really went. And then in 2020 also really escalated and then really went down from 125 to 88 over a 2-year period. That's a pretty big decline. That would be close to a 30% decline, 25 to 30%. And then it's bounced around sideways and created a bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and the neckline. So it broke out last month, was up a huge amount, and now it's pulling back this month. And so I think it's creating an opportunity to buy. I'm sorry about this stop. This is not the correct stop. So do not pay attention to that. My apologies. So let's take a closer look at the inverse head and shoulders pattern here on a weekly basis. It's just going to show this part of the price action. And so here we are, neckline, left shoulder. See the volume was bigger. On the bottom of the head, we really got down after a spike on the lows. We got down to really low volume. And then on the right shoulder here, you can see we had almost no volume. And so that is showing us what an inverse head and shoulders should be. And so now, after the breakout, we've come back this week and retested that breakout and filled this gap right here. So I really like the way that this is settling. This is a weekly chart. So let's say tomorrow, if FXH ends here or slightly higher or even a little bit lower, we're going to have a really nice bullish hammer here where prices started the week here. People tried to sell it off. And by the end of the week, if we do get tomorrow with little change, almost to the top of the weekly price action, it's called a bullish hammer. It's usually found at market turns. And so that's what we're hoping for. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, which will just look at the last 8 weeks, I'm sorry. And here we are. Actually, it starts in August, and we have a nice bullish channel here. And you can see we just bounced off of support. So we want to buy at support. We want to sell at resistance. Um, and here's a horizontal support line, which we bounced off of. So we're going to buy it here at, let's call it 115 and a half. And we're going to put a stop at 112. And our potential upside is 140. So we're risking basically uh, 4 points for the possible gain of 20, 24 points. So the reward to risk is really favorable here. So that's my recommendation. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, neighbors, and family. Adios.